I was born gifted with bigger hands and arms, and maybe it was a little tough at first, but when I was a kid, I was as strong as the bigger kid. Yeah, I beat him. So I had to measure around the base. Comes up to like 5 inches. My wrist size, I'll do it here for you so you can see. It's just like, my wrist is like 12¼ inches around. Definitely different having a mask on. It just stayed equal as I grew up. The strength is, I got good strength, hands and arms and legs, and it's hard to get clothes and stuff to fit, but for doing stuff around the house, the strength helps.